Hi, this is Jeremy here from Commit to Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a band standing row. To perform this exercise, you will need to have yourself a band, preferably one with handles. And from here you want to position the band so it's shoulder width apart, both feet on the band. You're going to lean forward, tilting at the hips, keeping your back nice and straight, which we also know as a safe back. From here you want to bring your arms up, giving that nice squeeze in between the shoulder blades and coming back down again. Now, you want to make sure that there is tension as you are in the lowest part. So grab down lower if you feel you need to, or make the adjustment to the band as you feel necessary. Once again, give that nice squeeze, back and forth.